Hey, what's up there, YouTube? Maybe Facebook. Just had to check these coffee pots before I dump them. So, yeah. So I found out what my volunteer guy that helps me volunteer is not feeling too well. So, yeah, he's not sleeping very well. And in the process of me doing that, I have to empty out the pots myself. Oh, shoot. Yep. Had to clean. Tried to listen to the preacher, and I ended up getting into this, which is awesome. I love to work. Anyways, just hopefully, some. Yeah, clean up random stuff. Sometimes I feel like cleaning. Sometimes I don't. Appreciate you, YouTube, and viewing and watching my lawn mowing videos, and also my yard cleanup videos as well. Yeah. Okay. Here. Sorry. I'm a bad toss. Yeah, that's my shoulder fault. It was time to take a selfie. Once I got clean the other side, I can't film the old people or young people, so this is